3 lesser-known facts about black mamba. Fact 1. Black mamba name. While the name black mamba suggests that these snakes are completely black, they actually have a predominantly brown or gray coloration. The name refers to the inside of their mouths, which is a deep black, and becomes visible when they feel threatened or are preparing to strike. Fact 2. Speed and agility. The black mamba is widely regarded as one of the fastest and most agile snakes in the world. While its average speed is estimated to be around 19 km per hour, and is capable of striking with incredible precision and accuracy. Its agility allows it to climb trees and move swiftly on the ground, making it a formidable predator. Fact 3. Exceptional vision. Black mambas possess remarkable eyesight that aids them in hunting and detecting potential threats. They have excellent vision both during the day and at night. Their eyes are highly adapted for daytime hunting, with large pupils that allow for optimal light intake. Additionally, they have specialized cells in their eyes called fovea, which enhance their visual acuity. This keen eyesight enables black mambas to locate and accurately strike their prey, often birds and small mammals, from a distance. Thanks for watching the video. For more interesting facts, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.